Hi, Arundhati. How are you doing today?
Hello, sir. I'm doing great today.
Good to hear. All right, Zoya. So, till what sound we have learned today? Yesterday. Sorry. What would be the next sound?
Next was thing, T.
TH, right?
TH, yeah.
TH and the voice and unvoiced, both, isn't it?
Yeah.
All right. So let's practice on TH sound. And yesterday's Zoya, I sent you tongue twister on. You can practice on long E and short E sound. All right.
Yeah.
There was a tongue twister for that. So how to make TH sound? All right. To produce this sound, place your tongue between your top and bottom teeth and push the air out. The sound is voiceless. You don't need to produce from your throat. All right. You don't need to use your throat. So place your tongue between your top teeth and bottom teeth. All right. The sound, it looks like this. Think, thin, throw, author, thought.
It was a little bit tough.
It is because we have different kind of teeth. We don't place our tongue like between both teeth, right? So this is a little bit different, but you have to practice, and if you practice on more words, you're gonna get rid of them. All right. So slightly, you can even hear a little bit. Thank you. All right, like this. Got it, Zoya?
Yeah.
And Arundhati, you too?
Yeah, I got it.
So this is voiceless sound. Remember, this is the voiceless sound. There would be no voice. Think, thought, throw. All right? Thick. So here's the sum of a sentence here. You can read and let me know where is the TS sound. The first.
Month.
All right, yes. Arundhati, your turn.
Thousand.
Say thousand.
Thousand.
Got it. Okay.
Next is nothing.
Nothing. Yes.
Nothing.
Next, Arundhati.
Thanks.
All right.
All right.
Zoya.
North.
Yes.
North.
Yes. Next, Arundhati.
Martha.
Right? Yeah, it's a little difficult, but it's not like impossible. So you guys can do, if you practice on it, it's gonna be easy. All right. So next sound, same mouth position, Zoya and Arundhati, but this time you need to produce voice from here, from throat. So this is kind of sound. It looks like this. This. Breathe. father, another, brother, mother, weather. Got it? Same mouth position, you need to place your tongue between both teeth, all right, and blow little air, push air, all right, and you need to this time create sound from here, make sound from here, so it should like this, the, that,
The.
these, all right, vibrate. Can you feel the vibration? Got it? Yes.
We are feeling vibration.
Yes, that's right. So again, I'm gonna send you, for example, rhythm. All right. So here you go, guys. Let me know where is the TH voice sound, as in this. So first sentence is, I want to go to Netherlands.
Netherland. Netherland.
Netherlands.
Yeah. Netherland.
So where is the TH voice sound?
Netherland.
Netherlands, right? In that you can find. Next, Arundhati. Hello? I guess we lost her, right? Zoya, can you tell me in the next I'll leave in where is the TH voice sound?
Northern.
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 Yes, that's right.
Northern.
Northern.
Yes.
Next one.
Next,
Arundhati. Another. Another.
another, another,
Another.
yes,
Another.
yes, got it? Arundhati, next.
Another.
Brother.
Yes,
Brother.
that's right, that's right. Next, Zoya.
Next one is laser. Laser. Laser.
Yes.
Laser.
All right. Next, Arundhati.
This. This.
Where?
This.
This.
This and
First word. Actually, rhythm.
Rhythm. Rhythm.
yes, rhythm.
Rhythm.
This and rhythm both has. All right. Got it?
Yeah, got it.
Yeah, I got it.
Next sound is S and Z. All right. As your name is Zoya.
Yeah.
All right. So how to make S sound and how to make Z sound. So to produce this sound, place your tongue near your tooth ridge and push air through the gap. It should produce a hissing sound, like snake sound. All right, like snake sound. You must have heard. So you need to make the same sound. All right, snake. Noise like snake. All right. So place your tongue near your tooth ridge. These are the tooth ridge, and place your tongue there and make snake noise. All right, like soon, song, sell, sink, west, circle.
Circle.
This is easy. It's not hard. All right. This one, the easy sound. and you guys can find there are lots of, in a sentence, in a word, you can find the same sound. But still, I just want to send you some of the like sentence so that you guys can let me know where is it. There you go. First, Arundhati, you're gonna start. Where is the S sound?
School.
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 Yes. Next, Zoya.
Next is sit. Sit.
Good.
Sit.
Arundhati.
Doesn't. Doesn't. And surprises.
Doesn't? No, there is no S sound.
There is
Surprises.
an S sound.
No.
There is one S sound. After E, there is one S.
Okay, all right. If you see somewhere like S letter, it doesn't mean that should be the S sound. There would be S sound, all right? Doesn't. There is no S sound. Right?
The sound.
This is
Doesn't.
really tricky. English is funny language, so different kind of things you need to understand. All right. So in a doesn't, it's a Z sound, not S. All right. So surprise in that you can find. Okay. Next, Zoya.
Say.
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 That's right.
Say.
Arundhati.
Twice.
Twice. Twice. Good.
Yeah, in twice. Is there any S sound?
Yes, there is. Twice. Twice.
Yeah.
Right? Okay, next.
Seaside. Seaside.
Yes, that's right, Zoya. That is exactly, that's right. All right. Next sound is interesting, which most of the people, they make mistake to produce this sound. This is called Z sound, all right? To make this sound, same position as you did in an S sound. So you place your tip of your tongue near your tooth ridge and push the air through the gap. It should sound like the noise of the bee noise. Have you heard the bee noise? Zzz,
Yeah.
zzz, like this, right? So use your voice to produce this sound. Use your voice from here. You need to use. So again, same mouth position, make B sound. B sound. Zzz, 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 zero. Music. All right. Lazy. Zoo.
Zoo.
Zoya.
Zoya.
Right. Zach.
Zach.
Zebra.
Zebra.
Got it? This is the B sound. B. You must have heard the B always there. It's making like irritating sound. Zzz, this kind, right?
Yeah.
Exactly. So, and this sound you can find most of the word and most of the sentence. You can find this sound, Z sound a lot. All right. Like in the music, you can see that. Next.
Prison. Prison.
Good job. Yep. Arundhati, your turn.
Clothes.
Clothes. Yes.
Clothes.
Good. Next.
These.
Mm-hmm. And one more sound is there. These. Choose. That's right.
Choose.
Arundhati.
Cheese.
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 All right.
Yeah.
Next.
All right.
Yeah.
Zoya?
Zoo. Zoo.
Zoo. And one more.
Zoo.
One more.
Is.
Is. That's right. Is. That's right. Arundhati.
Always and buys.
Good. Good job. Good job. That's right.
Buys.
Yes. Now, this is clear, right? Till Z sound, it's clear. All right? So,
Yes.
always keep in your mind, your mother name is Zoya, not Joya. All right, Arundhati?
All right.
Don't get confused, all right? And it's zero. But most of the Indian, they say zero. That is wrong.
Zero.
Completely wrong.
You always zero.
Yeah, that's wrong.
Yeah.
All right? So don't make those kind of mistakes. So next sound is sh sound and the j sound. All right, this is also, it's a kind of j like a z sound, but it's a different. For example, in a region, right? So how to make, first we're going to talk about s sound. How to make s sound? To make this sound, curve the tip of your tongue. Curve your tip of your tongue up the back behind the tooth ridge, up the back behind the tooth ridge, and push the air through the gap. Curve your tongue, tip of your tongue, curve, and put back behind the tooth ridge, right here, and push the air through the gap. And this is on voice sound. So for example, I am gonna make, and you guys can hear, shh, shh, and lip position like this. Shh, shh, she, ship, sheet, shall, should, should. All right. I guess you guys don't have problem with the S and SS sound, right? Yes.
Yeah, it is clear.
I guess so. So you guys, this is it's a simple sound. Most of the people, they have problem, but you guys don't have. So I guess we should skip this one, right? But what about the j sound? This is the same mouth position. It would be the same, alright, Zoya. But this time you need to make voice from your throat. Round your lip and lift your tongue so that the tip is near the tooth ridge. Round your lip. All right, and your tongue should be just behind the tooth ridge. Push the air through the gap, and you should use your vocal cord in this sound.
Yes.
So this sound like this. Same mouth position, lips should be round as you did in SH. All right. So look at my mouth and just practice. And you can feel the vibration in this sound. No, mouth, lips should be round. All right. For example, vision, version, television. All right. Usually, it's a usually. All right. Occasion. Don't say occasion. It's occasion. Treasure.
All right.
Measure. All right. It's a decision, not decision. 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 Casually. explosion,
Luxury.
luxury.
Luxury. Luxury.
All right.
Same if you want to like find how to produce same mouth position like you're doing in SS sound, same, but this time you need to vibrate. You need to produce sound from right here, vocal cord. You need to use this. And if you feel the vibration, that means you're pronouncing right. Mouth position would be same, your lips should be rounded, then you can make it, all right? I'm gonna send you, let's find.
Decision. Decision.
No, Zoya,
Decision.
Jean,
Zen.
Jean. It's better. It's better.
Yeah.
All right. You need to practice on it a lot. In front of mirror, you can practice on a word, and I am gonna give you some chunk, like tongue twister. You can do. Okay, Arundhati, your turn.
Luxurious.
Luxurious, luxurious.
Luxurious. All right.
Confusion. Confusion.
That's right. Arundhati,
Explosion.
good.
Television. Television.
Jean, yes. Next,
Casual.
casual, casual. Right?
Casual.
Yeah.
Casual.
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 Yes. So this sound is a little bit hard in India mostly. We are not aware about it. So you guys need to practice on it. I'm gonna send you tongue twister on particular sound, but you have to focus mouth position. Whenever you're pronouncing, just keep in your mind what should be the lips position and tongue, jaw, mouth position, everything, all right? And this is a voice sound as well. So you can practice, and let me give you the tongue twister for that so that you guys can